Hi, trust you all are doing well. Mr. Muhammad, one of the subscriber of my channel, has asked me this question: which side sleeping is healthier? And this video is about the same. So I have just answered him over there in a comment with a simple sentence that left side sleeping is healthier as per Ayurveda. Let me explain you in a much more detailed way. So as per Ayurveda, left side sleeping is much more healthier. It is termed as Vamakukshi. Vam is your left side and Kukshi is to lie down on that side. The benefits are: one is it relaxes your heart. Two, it helps you to improve your digestive power. So all the digestive related problems like gas, acidity, constipation, those will get reduced by lying down or sleeping on your left side. It also helps you to detoxify your body. And one of the best benefit is, in case your partner snores and you don't want him to snore, this is the way that person should lie down. So it avoids snoring. So when you're lying down, don't lie down with the legs straight. Okay, you always bend the legs a little and then lie down, and you use the hand as a pillow. So either like this or like this. If you're not comfortable to use your hand, you can always take a pillow and rest your head. Because if you're not resting the head on the pillow, the head will drop down, which is not good for your neck. So try to keep the head such that the neck is steady. And this is how you should be sleeping. So when you're lying down like this, your right nostril is up, which gets activated, which controls your digestion. This is the Surya Nadi. So digestion improves. Your heart is getting a good massage when you're lying down over here, so the heart is relaxing. The liver and the pancreas are functioning much better in this position, thereby improving your digestion. So this is one of the best way of lying down, or rather sleeping. In fact, in Ayurveda it is also said that after the afternoon meal, you should be lying down like this for about 10 to 20 minutes, which helps you to improve your digestion immensely. So traditionally in India, everyone used to take a short nap after the lunch, which nowadays may not be possible, but if you are at home, you should try it. Thank you.